Chapter 17. Solid, Liquid and Gas. Let's talk. Dick Shaw, can you tell me the name of a liquid and a solid things? Yes, Renew. Water is a liquid and chair is a solid. Commit to learn. Forms of matter. Molecules in matter. States of water are interchangeable. Physical and chemical changes. Dissolution of solids in liquids. Dissolution of gases in liquids. When you look around, you will see different things. There are living things as well as non-living things of different sizes, shapes and colors. They have mass and occupy space. All these things are matter. Forms of matter. Matter is found in three forms or states. These forms are solid, liquid and gas. The things surrounding us are either solid, liquid or gas. Three states of matter: gas, liquid, solid. Molecules in matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. The molecules are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. The molecules can be seen only under an electron microscope. Solids. In solids, the molecules are very closely packed. They have a very strong force of attraction among them, so they cannot move about freely. Therefore, solids have a definite shape and volume. They are generally hard. Some examples of solids are chairs, books, pencil, bus, car, etc. Liquids. The molecules in liquids are less closely packed than solids. They do not have such a strong force of attraction among them. Therefore, liquids can flow and the amount of space that a liquid occupies, that is, its volume, remains the same, only the shape of the liquid changes. This can be easily seen when we pour water from a jug into a glass. The water takes the shape of the glass. The volume of water remains the same. Gases. Molecules in gases are very loosely packed. They have a very weak force of attraction among them. They can move freely. Therefore, gases have no definite shape. They do not have a definite volume. They occupy the entire shape of the vessel in which they are kept. For example, when smoke comes out of a chimney, its smell spreads in the surrounding area. Smoke from the factories. Comparison among solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid, gas. It has a definite shape. It does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of the vessel. It has no definite shape. It is generally hard. It is not hard. It is not hard. It does not flow. It does not flow. It also flows. It has a definite volume. It has a definite volume. It has no definite volume. Its volume is the same as that of the vessel in which it is kept. States of water are interchangeable. In all cases, the nature of water molecules remains the same, only the arrangement of water molecules changes. Phase of changes of matter. Solid, liquid, gas. Physical and chemical changes. Take a wooden pencil and break it into two pieces. It becomes smaller, that is, its shape changes. But it still remains a pencil. The nature of the molecules of the pencil does not change. No new substance is formed. A change in which the nature of molecules of the substance does not change and no new substance is formed is called a physical change. Interchangeable nature of water into ice or steam is an example of physical change. Physical change. Chemical change. Object remains but may be in a different state, melted, broken. Object has new properties. Now, with the help of an adult, light a matchstick. It will change into smoke and ash. We cannot get back wood from smoke and ash. New substances are formed. The molecules of smoke and ash are different from those of matchsticks. A change in which the nature of the molecules of the substance changes and new substances are formed is called a chemical change. Dissolution of solids in liquids. Take some water in a glass. Add a spoonful of sugar into it and stir it well. The sugar disappears in water. Tiny sugar cubes in still water. Sugar cubes being distributed throughout the solution. A sugary solution. A sugar cube disintegrates into microscopic particles. When you taste this water, it is sweet. This is because the sugar has dissolved in the water. When a solid, such as sugar, is dissolved in a liquid like water, it produces a solution. The substances that dissolve in a liquid are said to be soluble in that liquid. The solid that dissolves in a liquid is called a solute. The liquid in which a substance solute dissolves is called a solvent. The substance we get when a solute is dissolved in a solvent is called a solution. In a sugar solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Similarly, in a salt solution, salt is the solute and water is the solvent. Dissolution of gases in liquids. Many gases, like oxygen and carbon dioxide, dissolve in water. Carbon dioxide is dissolved under pressure in soda water or in any other cold drink. When we open a bottle of soda water, we see that the dissolved carbon dioxide escapes rapidly in the form of bubbles. The water in lakes, rivers, ponds and seas has a lot of oxygen dissolved in it. Plants and animals that live in water breathe this oxygen which is dissolved in water. Let's recall. Matter is found in three states: solid, liquid and gas. States of water are interchangeable.